Namaste friends. My name is Ritesh and today our topic is Yoga for Core Beginner Level. Friends, yoga not only helps to calm the mind, but it is also amazing for your abs. Core, or it's also known as the powerhouse. The reason behind it's known as a powerhouse because every movement that you do, whether it's a running, whether it's a cycling, all starts from the center, that is your core. So friends, even if you're a person who is doing a desktop job, always sitting in front of the computer, even for him, your core is very, very essential. In fact, core helps for a healthier back. And at the same time, it gives you a nice tall posture. Even your walking habits improve only when the core is good because your core controls your pelvis also. Friends, and whenever you focus on core practices, it's very important that you cover all the movements of the body, such as flexion, extension, lateral flexion, a twist, and also some holdings, that is isometric holdings, or in simple terms we call it plank. So friends, we have 5 asanas in the beginner level, including few warm-ups. Repetition range can be around 5 to 10 to 15, depends upon your possibility to what extent you can do it. Friends, remember, don't force yourself, especially while doing the core. There are chances just because you're pushing yourself too much, your back might start getting hurt. That's the reason I have started with beginner level, so you don't force yourself unnecessarily. Friends, at the end of this video, I have shared some tips and precautions when you're doing your core exercises. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Friends, remember, quality over quantity. So what I need from you is don't just go for repetitions. It's important, whatever you do, even if you're doing 5, but have the perfect form that you do it. So, let's lie down on your back and give at least 10-15 seconds or 30 seconds of Shavasana first. So I lie down on my back, I relax myself, my palms are facing up, and I allow my body to relax. And from here, I gently move to the sides, get up, and the first warm-up is known as rocking and rolling, and in Sanskrit it's known as Jhulana Luharakasana. So it's a simple childhood days workout. So what you need to do is hold, press the knee, tall yourself, keep the spine in a C curve and just roll back. Now, it's okay to keep the feet on the floor, but if possible, try not to keep the feet on the floor. So here, when you're inhaling, you're going back, exhaling, coming up. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And try to feel the core engagement. But it's very important to see that you don't use a lot of, don't go like that. So don't use too much of momentum. Just go slowly, try to engage the core. So that was the first warm-up. The second warm-up is also known as cycling, or in Sanskrit it's known as a Pada Sanchalana Asana. So let's lie on the back. So once again I roll, I keep the legs head down. Now there is a variation. I can also lift the head up and do it, or head down. And then as and when I feel confident enough, I can take the legs more down. It is great for the lower abs. And reverse it. Now friends, don't take the leg too much down in the beginner level, else your pelvis will come like that. Can you see? That's an anterior tilt of the pelvis, and there is more gap in between my lower back. That we don't need. What we need is a neutral pelvis or a gentle, your back is touching the floor. So make it clockwise, make it 10 to 15 clockwise and 10 to 15 anti-clockwise. That creates a great warm-up in your body. So the first to warm up, and now let's get into Ardha Navasana, that is a half board pose, but it's a variation. Now it works on the upper abs. So lie on the back one more time, feet flat on the floor. So Ardha Navasana is somewhat done like that. But here we keep the feet flat on the floor, the shoulders are down, neck long, so we don't need the neck like that. Inhale and exhale. That's it. Inhale, exhale. Inhale down, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. When you go down, don't take the head like that. Beneath the head down. One more time, inhale, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So friends, that was your Ardha Navasana, but it's very important to see that you don't go like that. This is what I don't need from you. You go this, that's it. We need the abdomen flat. We don't need the abdomen falling into crumples. So we don't need this. Okay. So remember, form and quality, not quantity. So that was your Ardha Navasana. You can do 5 to 10 reps depending upon your capacity. But remember, at any point of time the back starts paining, don't forget to take a break. And after Ardha Navasana comes Chakra Padasana. In simple term, it's known as leg rotations. So let's do that. Once again on the back, palms facing down. Now, you have two variations. One, bend the leg, keep the pelvis square. That means it's not tilting. Lift the right leg up and circle. Just follow the first variation in the beginner level. And then, now what the important part is, we don't need the hip to go like this. Okay. So movement, keep engaging the core. You can keep the lower back pressing the floor. So make it 5 to 10 times clockwise and 5 to 10 times anti-clockwise. Relax for a few breaths and do with the left leg. Straighten it. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So as you breathe in, you lift the leg up. As you breathe out, you take it down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And come back. Friends, because it's a beginner level pose, we are not forcing ourselves too much. So now, the next asana is Makara Adho Mukha Svanasana. In simple terms, it's known as a dolphin plank pose. Now friends, the reason behind we have added a dolphin plank pose is to activate the core. It's also known as your rectus abdominis. So let's get into the posture. So we start with the tabletop position. And from the tabletop, put the elbows at the palm. And just take the posture, straighten it, maintain it. Keep your arches active, tall yourself and breathe. Your elbows should be shoulder width apart. So your body is not into this position or this position. But here you can add a dynamic movement of exhaling, inhaling. Exhaling, inhaling. Keep your neck long and maintain. So you can hold it gently for 5 to 10 seconds that you feel comfortable. And now from there, let us get into a twisting. So remember friends, when I talked about we need to focus on flexion, extension, lateral flexion, twists and planks. So now we are getting into a supine spinal twist. In Sanskrit it is known as Jathara Parivartasan A. That is number 1. So let's do it. So we're lying down on the back. Once again, the shoulders are down. Take the legs in tabletop position. Arms are to the sides. So you can take the arms to the sides, make it straight. And now from here, inhale and exhale. Try to hold it, engage your core. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. The other variation is you can take the hands behind your head. Now exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now come back in center. Take it down and relax. At any point of time you find strain, always don't forget to do a Pavan Muktasan, that is hugging both the knees to the chest and doing some side to side movement. And a bridge pose. So whenever you find any strain on your back while doing core asanas, important to add Pavan Muktasan, a little bit of twisting and a bridge pose. Now the last posture that is for your obliques is also known as Vashishthasana, that is side plank. But here we modify the pose. We are getting into a side plank on the elbows and we will give a modifications to it. So elbows on the floor. Now a modification here is you can bend the knee and lift up. So check the positioning of the elbow to the shoulder, tall yourself, keep the arms in this position or here and just hold it. And breathe. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And then down and relax. On the right side, let's do it on the left hand side. So once again, side plank, bend the knees and just start holding it, maintaining. Check the positioning of the elbows. Feel your obliques working and maintain. Keep your head straight and long. Shoulders are down and relaxed. And breathe. And down. So friends, you can hold this posture depending upon your capacity, slowly and gently. Friends, slow and steady is the new mantra. Make it intense, but if back pains, please stop immediately. And especially people with back pain should be careful when they do it. Friends, use the beginner level set to slowly and steadily upgrade to the intermediate level. So don't forget to check out our intermediate level poses for the core, for the powerhouse. I'll see you soon. My name is Ritesh, and in case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button. And yes, do subscribe. And if you have any comments or suggestions, mention in the comment section below. Namaste.